Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Isn't it a little annoying that the rich just keep getting richer? Don't you wish you know exactly what is it they do to keep getting wealthier? Today I am going to share with you the ways on how the rich keep getting richer. Please remember to stay till the end of the video where I will share with you how billionaire Warren Buffett, the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, invests. You can learn from the ways he invests and hopefully it can help you get closer to your financial dreams. Number 1. Investing. The wealthy have more disposable income to invest in stocks, real estate, and other investments, allowing them to increase their wealth over time. Number 2. Tax benefits. The wealthy have access to more tax breaks and deductions, allowing them to keep more of their money. Number 3. Cost savings. The wealthy can take advantage of cost savings through bulk purchasing and negotiating better deals, which can lead to more wealth. Number 4. Inheritance. The wealthy often pass money down to their children, who can then use it to further their own financial success. Number 5. Networking. The wealthy know the right people and have access to exclusive opportunities and resources, which can lead to increased wealth. Number 6. Business ownership. The wealthy often own businesses, which can generate more money over time and provide additional opportunities for growth. Number 7. Passive income. The wealthy can generate passive income through rental properties, investments, and other passive income streams. Number 8. Entrepreneurship. The wealthy often take advantage of entrepreneurial opportunities, which can lead to increased wealth and success. Number 9. Leverage. The wealthy often use their money to leverage more money, allowing them to increase their wealth. Number 10. Financial literacy. The wealthy understand the importance of financial literacy and invest in learning more about personal finance, allowing them to make better decisions and increase their wealth over time. Lastly, I am going to share with you some ways on how Warren Buffett invests. Buy businesses, not stocks. Look for companies with competitive advantages that can be maintained. Companies that are able to fight off competitors are more likely to have an increasing intrinsic value over time. Focus on long-term intrinsic value and not short-term earnings. Find out how much cash a company can create for its owners in the future. Use a margin of safety. Purchase companies for less than their intrinsic values. Now that you have a better understanding on how the rich keep getting richer, what are some actions that you can take today? Please remember to click on like and subscribe. After you have subscribed, please leave a comment in the comments section below and I will try to reply to your comments. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.